So let's solve the following logarithmic equation. So in this logarithmic equation, one of the things I notice about this is that I have logs on either side. And if you have logs on either side of your equation, your go-to method for that is going to be to condense down each side so that we can hopefully use the same base rule. Since I do notice that these are all ln, right? So that means that they're all the same base. So as long as I can simplify each side, I should be able to use the same base rule. Now I can simplify each side by condensing down each side. I can condense it down into a single log. If you remember your product, quotient, and power properties for logs, the quotient property says that if you have a subtraction symbol in between them, you can condense that down into a single log by dividing them. The first one becomes your numerator, the second becomes your denominator. And I can also do that for the right-hand side. Since these are the same log, I can condense them down into the same log, again by using the quotient rule. And subtraction correlates to division, so just take the first one, that's going to be your numerator, and divide it by the second one, which is your denominator. Once you have each side condensed down to a single log, it is now perfectly set up to use the same base rule. The same base rule says that if you have the same log with the same base on each side of your equation, you can then set these pieces equal to each other. So now I can say x minus 3 over x plus 10 is equal to x minus 2 over x plus 1. And I can solve this equation. Now I'm going to solve this equation by cross multiplying. So by cross multiplying, make an x. I'm going to take x minus 3 times the x plus 1. And we're going to set that equal to, well, the opposite. Cross the x plus 10 times the x minus 2. Multiply and solve this equation. When we multiply the left-hand side, we get x squared plus 1x minus 3x, right? So that's going to be a minus 2x minus a 3 when you multiply that out. The right-hand side, when you multiply that out, you're going to get your x squared minus 2 plus 10 gives us a positive 8x, and then minus a 20, right? Or you can fully distribute it out to the side. You should get the same answer here. Otherwise, well, let's see, we got to solve this. So the first thing I'm going to do is subtract x squared on each side. That's going to leave me with negative 2x minus 3. And let's see, 8x minus a 20. If I add the 2x to the other side, I'm going to go ahead and add the 20 to the left-hand side then. Bring my x to the right, bring my number to the left. That is going to give me a 17 on the left-hand side and a 10x on the right-hand side. Divide each side by 10. And x is equal to 17/5. A couple things when solving logarithmic equations here. You do want to make sure that your solutions are positive. You do not want negative solutions. Otherwise, our solution is 17/10.